Your mind is addicted, and you don't even know it. Not to a drug, not to anything illegal, to comfort, to distraction, to the quiet, constant noise that has quietly rewired how you think, how you focus, and how you see yourself. Before you can build discipline, you have to detox from everything that has been poisoning it.
You already feel it. The inability to sit still without reaching for your phone. The restlessness when a task takes more than 10 minutes of real focus. The way motivation disappears the second something feels boring or hard. This is not who you were born to be. This is who constant stimulation, comfort, and distraction slowly made you, one scroll and one skipped challenge at a time.
Nobody warned you that your mind could be trained the wrong way, just as easily as the right way. Every time you chose the easy dopamine hit over the harder, quieter reward, you taught your brain that discomfort is something to avoid, not something to push through. That training did not happen in one day. It happened in thousands of small moments, and it will take the same kind of repetition to undo. Stop blaming your lack of willpower. This was never about willpower. It was about an environment and a pattern that trained you to crave ease and avoid friction. You built this pattern without meaning to, which means you were never broken. You were simply shaped by habits nobody taught you to question. And if habits shaped you, different habits can reshape you, starting today. This is where the detox begins. Not next month, not when it's convenient. The next 7 days. Remove the easy dopamine. Delete the apps that steal your focus, even temporarily. Replace instant distraction with boredom, and let your mind sit in that discomfort instead of escaping it. Do the hardest task of your day first, before you allow yourself anything easy. Move your body daily, even when everything in you wants to stay still. This will feel uncomfortable, almost unbearable at first. That discomfort is not a sign you are doing something wrong. It is proof your mind is finally being retrained. Day 1 and 2 will feel like withdrawal, because in many ways, it is. Day 3 through 5, the noise starts to quiet. By day 7, something shifts. Focus returns. Discomfort feels less threatening. Your mind, for the first time in a long time, feels like it belongs to you again, instead of whatever distracted it last. This is not a one-time fix. It is the foundation discipline is built on. You cannot build real habits on top of a mind addicted to comfort. You have to clear the noise first, then build something real on the silence that's left behind. 7 days from now, you will either still be the man controlled by every distraction in front of him, or you will be the man who took his mind back on purpose. The choice is not complicated. It is just uncomfortable. And uncomfortable is exactly where real change has always lived. Start the detox today. Not tomorrow, not after one more scroll. Right now, close this video and put down whatever you were about to reach for next. That is day 1.